Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to hide the date and time here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first step is at the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and go for settings. Once you have opened your settings, proceed to the left side of your screen. It has this time and language. Here you need to click on that. And under the time and language, proceed to the language and region tab. Click on it. Okay. Here, once you have opened your language and region settings, scroll down and go with administrative language settings. Click this forward icon and then here in this region windows, go for formats, which is the very first option or setting. And under that, it has this additional settings option. Click on that. And in this customize format window, proceed to time and date. And under the shortened time, changed it into S. Okay. Then apply and proceed to the date and changed it into DDD. Okay, so letter D all in three letter D. Then apply and okay, and then okay. So in that manner, you have just successfully hide the date and time in your Windows or computer. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.